Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. I've got a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 24 Dauntless. This is a fantastic all-around boat, great fishing machine, gets into the shallow waters but still has enough of a V to give you a good ride out in that chop. Also, lots of seating room, lots of sun pad up front. It can be removed for a casting deck. Seating all around, rear casting deck folds up into a seat. And with this 250 Mercury Verado with the advanced midsection for reduced vibration, you have plenty of power to get up and go wherever you need. And if you're sitting at the beach, you've got this telescoping swim ladder that hides away underneath the rear casting deck. Let's hop up inside and see what it looks like. Here we are on board the 24 Dauntless. As you can see up front, we've got a huge platform where you can have removable cushions that turn this into a huge casting deck, as well as backrests that prop up. And in front of our center console, we've got a live well up under the bottom seat, as well as 4 additional rod holders. Lots of extra grab handles all around the console, dual helm seating. Underneath there we've got another live well, electronic throttle control, trim tabs, plenty of room for any kind of chart plotter you'd like to put on it, fusion radio. And finally, coming to the back here, we've got a flip-up seat that turns into another big casting deck, and it flips up very easily. There's just one little lever that you pull here. Give that a pull. And now it's turned into a full seat. If you guys have any other questions, give me a call.